Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn IPC nomenclature of a alicyclic compound. IPC nomenclature of a alicyclic compound. Which compound are alicyclic? Which compound are alicyclic? Then answer is if in a hydrocarbon, if in a hydrocarbon first carbon attached with last carbon, then these type compounds called alicyclic compound. Alicyclic compound. Definition of alicyclic compound is if in a hydrocarbon first carbon attached with last carbon, then these type compounds called alicyclic compound. Structure of alicyclic compound. Structure of alicyclic compound. For example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Aliphatic hydrocarbon, butane. Now, first carbon attached with the last carbon with a bond. If a first carbon attached with the last carbon, then valency of this carbon will free. If valency of this carbon is free, then this carbon attached with the last carbon. Now last carbon have also free valency. First and last carbon have a free valency present. Then alicyclic compound will form. For example, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH2. Free valency and free valency. Both free valency are created bond. Then CH2 attached with this bond. This is a alicyclic compound. This is a alicyclic compound. Now, nomenclature of alicyclic compound. याद रखना बेटा यहाँ से प्रेफिक्स से साइक्लो इंपोर्टेंट है बेटा. प्रेफिक्स से साइक्लो will use for alicyclic compound. Alicyclic compound. For example, it's butane, but name of this compound is cyclo prefix cyclobutane. Cyclobutane. Another example, it's a cyclopropane. Now we already know what is a bond line formula. Bond line formula. In bond line formula, structure shows in a zigzag structure. But in zigzag structure, carbon and hydrogen does not show. Condition for a bond line formula, zigzag structure होगी, carbon and hydrogen does not will show. Next, in compound, each edge shows the carbon. very important बात है, यहाँ से ध्यान देना. Bond line formula shows in zigzag structure. Carbon and hydrogen does not show, except carbon and hydrogen. All elements must show. For example, CH2, 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 CH2 and CH2. It's a name of it. Prefix cyclo will be used for any cyclic compound. So it's a have total 5 carbon. Between any carbon have single bond present. It means saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon. But here each carbon attached with the bond. So cyclo prefix will use, and after then pentane 5 carbon. It means cyclopentane. Cyclopentane. Now in bond line structure, it's also cyclopentane. Each edge shows the carbon. It means total 5 carbon are present in this structure, and between any carbon have single bond. Between any carbon have single bond. It means aliphatic it means saturated hydrocarbon. Single bond means saturated hydrocarbon. Each edge shows the number of carbon or shows the carbon. It means total 5 carbon present in this ring. Total 5 carbon present in this ring, and name of this compound is cyclopentane. बड़ा ही simple है cyclopentane. Next, name of this compound is cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Name of this compound is total number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, for example, in this structure, each edge shows the carbon. Each edge shows the carbon. This carbon have 2 valency are presented. It means this carbon have 2 hydrogen are also presented. 2 hydrogen are also presented, but in bond line formula, carbon and hydrogen not so. Next example. In this structure, each carbon attached with 2 hydrogen. Why? Because valency of each carbon is 4. It's cyclohexane. If this hydrogen replaced by CS3 group, this hydrogen replaced by CS3 group, it means both CS3 are substitute group in this compound. So in IPC level, substitute are present in a fast position. So name of this compound is dimethyl cyclohexane. Dimethyl cyclohexane. Here 1 does not show. Why? We know substitute group have always a minimum number. Both CS3 are present on this carbon. If both CS3 are present on this carbon, then also best number. Present here both CS3, then also this number. It means we have no require for a numbering for both methyl. ओके बेटा, याद रखना ये बात मेरी स्पेशल है. आईपीसी मेथड में नंबरिंग को सब्स्टिट्यूट की पोजीशन को तब ही शो करेंगे जब उसकी हमें रिक्वायर हो, अदरवाइज उसकी पोजीशन को शो नहीं करना. ओके, IUPAC name of a alicyclic compound, simple cycloprefix will used, and as it is name of a like a saturated hydrocarbon or unsaturated hydrocarbon. For example, another formula This carbon have only one hydrogen, this have also one hydrogen because both carbon 2, 1 and 1, 4, 2, 1 and 1, 4, complete the valency. But name of this compound is cyclopentane or cyclopentine or pentene. Then answer is cyclopentene. Cyclopentene. Okay. अगली क्लास में हम स्टडी करेंगे फंक्शनल ग्रुप के ऊपर. कहाँ स्टडी करेंगे? फंक्शनल ग्रुप के ऊपर. ओके.